Oh my god, so big. Oh my god. Careful. Hit the head. Try to hit the head. Not the feet, not the leg. Hit the head. Or the belt. Hit the belt. Hit the belt. I think that's his power. Or energy. Oh my god, it's so big. Hit the belt, Axel, the belt.
We're gonna hold the picture belt. We're gonna break its weight and we're gonna break its.
Come on, only one more, and then he will be dead. Come on, hit. Always go to his back.
He doesn't know how to go to his back because he moves so fast.
You?
See, we both did it.
Yeah, that's great. Oh, let's finish.